To use Capital One points for flights, start by logging into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Rewards section where you can view your available points balance. Capital One offers a few different ways to redeem points for flights, including transferring points to airline partners and booking travel through the Capital One Travel portal. If you want to transfer points to an airline partner, you will need to link your loyalty accounts to your Capital One account. Capital One has partnerships with several major airlines, including Air Canada, Avianca, and Singapore Airlines. The transfer ratio for points to miles varies by airline, but most transfers are at a 1-to-1 ratio. To transfer points, select the transfer option and choose the airline partner you want to transfer to. Enter the number of points you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Alternatively, you can book travel through the Capital One Travel portal, which allows you to redeem points for flights on most major airlines. To do this, select the travel option and search for your desired flight. You can redeem points for the full cost of the flight or use a combination of points and cash. The redemption value for points booked through the travel portal is typically 1 cent per point. When booking travel through the portal, make sure to compare prices across different airlines and dates to get the best value for your points. It is also a good idea to consider any additional fees or charges associated with your flight, such as baggage fees or seat selection fees. Finally, keep in mind that redemption options and transfer ratios are subject to change, so it is always a good idea to check the Capital One website for the most up-to-date information before redeeming your points. By following these steps and considering your options carefully, you can get the most value out of your Capital One points and enjoy your next flight.